Well, fellas, this is where we split. I'm taking that sunny path.
I'll try the middle. Looks like plenty of good sticks that way.
Then I'll head right. Brickwork's gonna take some time, but it'll be worth it.
See you soon. Oof, this straw is light as a feather. I'll have a house up in no time.
These sticks...
Easy picking.
Little pig, little pig.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down. Little pigs, let me in. Run. I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down.
Oh no. Is it holding? I think so.
Stubborn bricks. You can't hide forever, pigs.
Nearly there. Scraw! A chimney. Perfect. All set. Come on down, big fella. Dinner time, piggies. Hot, hot, hot.
Woohoo! He's gone for good.